Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to pin a visual to a dashboard in Power BI service. So let's start. I'm already logged into the Power BI service here and I'm go to my workspace, learn to Excel, and I'll go to the reports. So you can see I don't have any dashboard here at the moment. On the dashboards tab, let's just go to the report and I'll click on my report. And you can see there's a push pin. So this is one of the pages that's available to me, and if I scroll over the visual, there's a push pin available. So I can select this and say pin visual, and I can create a new dashboard called one, and I'll just pin it on there. And similarly, I can pin this visual as well if I click on the push pin, and I can just add this to one. But if you look at the slicer visual, if I hover over it, doesn't give me the option to pin it. Essentially, you can't pin a matrix visual because you can't pin a slicer visual because slicers are supposed to be interactive, and when you pin visuals onto the dashboard, they're not interactive. So it defeats the purpose of having a visual. So essentially, we've learned how to pin a visual into a dashboard in the Power BI service, but we've also understood that the slicer visual you cannot pin. So in this video, just to wrap up again, we've learned how to pin the visuals into the Power BI service except for the slicer visual. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Cheers, bye.